Hi folks, Josh Spencer here with Hit or Miss Outdoors. Me and my family are taking a cruise to Alaska, and while we're up there, me and my dad, my uncle, and my two brothers are going to go out and try to fish for some king salmon. So wish us luck. Hope we get some video to show you. Thanks for joining Hit or Miss Outdoors. Here we are in Alaska. Gonna head out here in the ocean, see if we can't catch some king salmon, maybe some halibut, see what we can do.
When it snaps loose.
Don't louse him.
Get it in here, Dad. Yeah, don't get too excited now. We finally got some.
Where's that whole side? Hand that off to somebody else. Right here, John. I got you.
Got one away.
Okay.
One on the boat.
What on?
That was on.
What's going?
Shark Ocean
Yellow.
That's the one you just put on.
Blue. Oh no, that dark thing, huh? Yeah. Let's get another one out.
Good job. Pretty fish.
Somebody else, let them clear it. You clear the line. There.
Get it, Brian, get it.
Did you pop it, Joey?
Swing that downrigger once it comes up. Swing that out of the
Sorry. Should have grabbed that.
Speak to me.
Fine right here, he said.
Somebody bent.
Come on, fish. Hey, come on. Somebody get excited back here.
Yeah.
Get it in there,
What's wrong with this
Brian.
group?
Oh, he's fighting. Yeah.
Get it. Come on now.
Yellow?
On that yellow again, he said.
I'm in neutral right now.
Oh, that's a treat, Diego.
Yeah.
There we go.
What you got?
Woo! Good job.
Nice one.
What you got? Oh, good God.
Oh.
Sorry. it's on the yellow again. That's a nice one.
Yellow plaster and what? Oh, that dark.
Yeah.
We got one more out, don't you?
That's the technical name, the dark damn thing.
Dark damn.
That's the one we chose, wasn't it? We picked the right one.
Yeah. Black
I
lips.
don't like the color line. I guess I can't.
No complaining.
We got 2 of those plasters down there.
One of them's like a brown. It's dark, but it's like brown.
Is this at the motor?
That one's
I think all of them are up.
Hanging out at the motor.
Get like a 3-pounder.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let them clear it. Get
Get it,
the
Chase,
downward
get it.
grab.
Come on, Chase, don't lose him. Come around to the left, Chase.
Can I get the net?
Yeah, I got you.
Get there, Chase. That's that one we picked. I'm telling you.
Listen, he's gonna hear that in his sleep.
He's not giving me nothing.
Tell me what to do.
You're good right now. It's coming up on this right side.
It ain't doing nothing yet. I ain't made
We
up
come
no
right in
mind
behind
yet.
the boat.
Now it up against something over there.
I think this is a fight one right here, boys.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Go ahead, reel that one in real quick.
You saw the bend in this pool? You saw the bend in this pool when it was
Yeah,
It doubled over.
real good. I haven't made up any line.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, he keeps taking more.
Oh, that's a good sign.
That spool, the spool ain't moving.
Yeah, the spool's not moving. He's just taking more out.
That one, I need to switch that one to a different pole because that one's drag is all. Sometimes it loosens.
Pole. You call that a pole? You know the difference between a pole and a rod?
Rod.
About $300.
Come on, Chase.
Come on. Get that fish.
Running into me.
He's still there.
You still pulling?
Oh yeah.
You're fighting the down planer a little bit right now. When it comes up, you'll think, well, I got it made now.
Oh yeah.
There he is.
There he is.
Who's
He's taking off again. Lord have mercy.
Gosh dang it.
I
told him.
Joey, I told you whoever's next
You
on the
wanna
pole.
Little switch.
He put that one into the pool.
I'll go last. Joe, you need to stay out here.
Yeah, that's why I grabbed
Well,
it.
no, I told him he could have my spot. I said I'd go last on the 5th fish. So that means I get to go 5th and 6th.
I don't care.
Do we do a snake draft?
Then we do go backward.
Boys, this thing is going to town.
You got a snapping turtle.
I do.
How was she doing it?
Planer now.
I'm getting tired. We'll cut her off.
Oh no.
Yeah, we'll cut
Oh, Lord.
Don't you cuss at me like
Oh, I
that.
see him. I see him.
I got a knife in case you
Oh, that's
get
a
too
baby,
tired.
Chase. It ain't big as nothing. I don't even think that's a salmon.
Oh my gosh. Golly.
Is it a nice one?
He's a fighting. I don't know if he's nice or not, but he's a badass.
All right, you can quit putting on there.
All right.
Really on in.
Really? We're getting sick of the show,
Oh my
Chase.
gosh.
Golly.
Now, how does taxidermy work?
He's right over here. That's right.
It looks like you can come straight up to us here. Yeah, right here. Come on, buddy. That looks like a hoss.
It is a hoss.
I think you got a fish
Ain't
there.
no looks like it.
I think that's a fish.
Oh, good. Hey, here he goes again.
Don't hoss him, Chase. Don't hoss him.
I'm trying not to now.
Oh, he's right up on the motor. He's right up on the motor.
Got him.
He's in the net, though. That's right. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Woo!
Dang. Bigger and bigger.
Wow.
Is that a salmon or is that a whale?
That is a brute.
Oh, damn.
Wow.
Nice fish.
Be careful now. The picture will weigh 4 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
That's a fish.
Man, I wasn't making any ground for a long time.
Go ahead and show the other boat now. They're looking. Uh-huh.
You nice and Josh?
See you aboard.
How you doing? How you doing back there?
He's in the net. Woo! There's another one.
Anybody getting excited?
Yes, sir.
Ha-ha!
Good deal. That same one again. Same pole. Alright folks, we are back at the house from Alaska. We got back yesterday. My garden, I don't know if you can see it up there, but it's all grown up on me. My chickens been laying eggs like crazy. I had 24 eggs when I got home after 10 days, and just everything's grown up. Been going through my honeybees. Just a lot of stuff going on, but we went out in Alaska, got some salmon. My dad, he caught a jack salmon, which is a salmon, king salmon that just didn't get as big as the others. It's like stunted growth. My Uncle Brian got a good king salmon. My little brother got a huge king salmon. And I got it's like a lesser quality salmon, but it's still good on the smoker. I can't remember what it's called. It's like what they use to chum some if they catch small ones and stuff, but it's going to be good on the smoker. We got it all on its way back. We sent it to a fish company that was going to freeze it and send it back to us. So we'll get that, and I'll try to post some pictures or something of my salmon all smoked up and ready to eat. But here are some pictures that we got of all of us with our salmon. My older brother Joey, he didn't get to get one. We had a certain amount of time we were there to catch fish, and they started biting for a little bit and then just died off, and we ran out of time. But it was a fun day. We'll try something else again soon. Thanks for joining Hit or Miss Outdoors.